Welcome back to our channel. Today we have the KumiKreator bead and braider, and today we're going to be making bracelets. I'm putting the colors that I want in. So we did that one, and this is how we're supposed to do it. So you're supposed to clip this in here, like that. Put it in there, and then put it in there. I think that's a bit too much. Okay, so we've done some so far. Okay, so I only have to do 2 more. That means it's going good. Last one. I'm on the last one. Okay, so we've done it all. I'm nervous. Now we clip this down and then start spinning. Ready, set, go. This is what it should look like when it's done. It doesn't have to be the same charm.